Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower as investors assess the latest bank crisis as well as interest rate hikes by the US and European central banks. Bitcoin hovered around $29,000, the crucial level. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 39,340 points. In an interesting news, US initial jobless claims data rose by 13,000 to 242,000 for the week ended 29 April, the biggest increase in 6 weeks. Even while the labor market is beginning to deteriorate, it's still cooling at a much slower pace than other economic indicators in the aftermath of Federal Reserve's aggressive tightening campaign. In other news, the Federal Reserve hiked interest rates by 25 basis points earlier this week. The European Central Bank also raised interest rates by 0.25 percentage point, a slowdown from previous increases, but warned the fight against inflation was not yet won. The US Central Bank also suggested that its campaign of rate increases would soon come to an end. Although Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stressed that it is still too early to begin reducing rates. Interestingly, as the demand for trading the Pepe meme coin continues to climb, Ethereum gas fees have surged to a one-year high. It's probable that interest in meme coins, particularly the recently released Pepe, is responsible for the revival in gas fees. Pepe's trading volume on Uniswap has topped to $150 million over the last 24 hours, outpacing wrapped Bitcoin and USDT stablecoin levels. The global cryptocurrency market cap hovered around $1.20 trillion mark, decreasing 0.6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 24% to $34 billion. Stocks of several US regional banks tanked, including those of Los Angeles-based PacWest Bancorp dropping 50% Thursday afternoon and Phoenix-based Western Alliance Bank Corporation falling 38%. Investors fretted over bank sector contagion, which began in mid-March with the collapse of 3 banks, including Silicon Valley and Signature. With the financial sector getting increasingly ugly, the trouble for the broader economy is likely to spread. As such, the Bitcoin appears anchored until it gets regulatory clarity. Edward Moyer, senior market analyst for foreign exchange Rwanda, wrote in a Thursday note, US stock futures rose after tech giant Apple revealed its latest quarterly earnings. Meanwhile, investors looked forward to the fresh release of US jobs data. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 98 points or 0.3%. S&P 500 futures gained 0.45%, while Nasdaq 100 futures added 0.5%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,154, down 0.4%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,907. On my left, BNB was down by 0.5% to trade at $325. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 1.8% and was trading at $22. Cardano's ADA token was again down by 1.3% to trade at $0.38. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17, lower 0.2%. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading down by 1% to trade at $0.99. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 0.8% at $0.078. Shiba Inu was trading down by 1.5%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.46, down again by 0.1%. Polkadot was down by 0.2% to trade at $5.7. And now let's move on to our expert, Mr. Sanket Manocha, founder of Coin Bazaar, for his fundamental and technical views on the cryptocurrency market.
As far as my opinion is concerned regarding the crypto market right now, we are actually in a bull market right now, because we started with somewhere around 17,500 this year, and we have reached somewhere around 30,000. So it has already crossed 30,000 few days back. So the whole market is going green, and one of the major reasons, apart from the reasons that we have in the ongoing market, one of the major reason is that probably because we are waiting for the halving, just like after every 4 years, we have World Cup and people eagerly wait. That's what exactly happens when we see the chronology and the past history, that every time there we see the halving, we get close to halving, the price becomes, the kind of rises. And that's what exactly happens not only with the Bitcoin, but with the other coins as well. Because 4 years back, when when Bitcoin touched 65,000, exactly same way Ethereum also touched 4,500 at that point of time. And by the end of year, I can probably say, looking on the current scenario, that it may touch or cross their own ATH, which they had previously for Bitcoin at 65,000, right? So we are in a bull run, and moreover, the market is positive, and probably this is the time when if new enthusiasts want to enter it, this is the time when people can go ahead and enter into the market and can leverage their profits and their earnings. Thank you. This is from my side.
All right, thank you for your technical and fundamental views, Mr. Manocha. Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.